Plumbing stuff can get real messy when folks don't want to listen or learn the right way to do things, and trust me, that's a headache every plumber knows too well. So, if you want to avoid turning your bathroom into a disaster zone or wasting time fixing stuff twice, here's what you got to keep in mind. First off, always use the right tools. Trying to MacGyver your way through a plumbing job usually ends up worse. Next, take a minute to understand how the parts fit together. It's not just about slapping things in place. Don't ignore safety either. Even small leaks can cause big problems down the line. When using chemicals like drain cleaners or acids, make sure you know exactly how they work and never leave them sitting in pipes overnight. If you're tackling a remodel or repair, protect surfaces like tubs or tiles with towels or plastic sheets so you don't ruin your nice finishes. Also, if something feels off, don't just power through. Stop and double check. It saves you from costly mistakes. And if you're hiring a pro, pick someone who communicates clearly and respects the job, not just someone who wants to rush through it. Lastly, keep learning. Plumbing changes and tricks get better all the time, so staying sharp helps avoid dumb errors. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with plumbing repairs is ignoring proper installation techniques, which leads to leaks and costly damage. Always follow manufacturer instructions closely to fix this. Another common issue is using harsh chemicals like acids incorrectly, causing pipe corrosion or damage. The fix here is to use safer alternatives or apply chemicals only as recommended, never overnight. The third problem is rushing through jobs without protecting surfaces or double-checking work, which results in scratches on tubs or misaligned fittings. Taking time to prep and inspect your work can prevent these headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners searching for trustworthy local plumbers and contractors who actually know their stuff. It also hooks contractors up with steady work by connecting them to people ready to get their home projects done right.